Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel Norton VPN subscription. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and be sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel Norton VPN subscription, what you can do first is simply head over to the settings, and then once you're inside settings, tap on your Apple ID name. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is select subscriptions from the Apple ID or Apple account. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on subscriptions and tap on Norton subscription. Then once you tap on Norton subscription, on the bottom you'll find an option that says cancel this subscription, which is highlighted in red letters. And once that's done, all you gotta do is tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions to successfully confirm the cancellation of your subscription. Then the next method that you can use is head over to the Norton's website. So simply head over back and then open up your web browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in us.norton.com, and then once you're inside the homepage of the Norton, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen, then simply log in by tapping on the sign in. And once you're signed into your account, what you need to do is select my subscription by simply tapping on the profile icon once again and find a Norton secure VPN plan. Then simply click on cancel subscription or cancel subscription renewal and follow the steps and confirm no thanks, cancel my subscription, and this stops automatic renewal and you usually keep service until the end of your current billing period. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.